Hi, good day to all of you. I'm going to give information as the best and most beautiful places to see in Pakistan. Pakistan is a country in southern Asia. It is officially called Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Pakistan has the fifth largest population in the world. This makes Pakistan the 34th largest country in the world. Pakistan has the seventh largest army in the world. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Before 1960, it was Karachi, which is now the country's largest city. The motto of Pakistan is faith, unity, and discipline. The national anthem is Qawmi Tarana. Pakistan not only means freedom and independence, but the Muslim ideology which has to be preserved, which has come to us as a precious gift and treasure, and which we hope others will share with us. Pakistan is a beautiful country. The first place that I'm going to view and give information is the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad, the romantic city. It is an excellent place for relaxation and sightseeing. The city is green all over with beautiful roads, highways, clean, calm, and serene environment. Skardu. Turquoise waters, towering mountains, beautiful lakes, and generous people. Skardu has it all. Kalasha Valley. These beautiful valleys are home to the indigenous and unique Kalash tribe. Kalash people are religious and ethnic minority in Pakistan with their own beliefs, culture, and language. Hunza. It's no secret that Hunza is home to liberal, helpful, and hospitable people. Hunza comprises several colorful and stunning villages. Hunza Valley is a beautiful place to visit and has many places to see. Peshawar. This city is famous and among tourists for its historical places, shopping bazaars, and food. Gujal Valley. Gujal home to beautiful lakes, rugged mountains, glaciers, scenic villages, and remains covered with snow all year long. Naltar Valley. This remote valley is known for its sheer beauty and serene atmosphere. The snow-capped peaks, landscapes, lakes, and expansive forests make Naltar worth a retreat. Pandar Valley. It is known for its colorful water and dot forest. The very first glimpse of the valley will remove all your travel fatigue and re-energize you. Lahore. The old city of Lahore is known for an array of tourist spots and activities such as historical sites, shopping places, and foods. Gwadar. Think of deep blue waters, white mountains, beautiful sceneries, and sand dunes. That's what you will get to see in Gwadar, the beautiful port city in Pakistan's Balochistan province. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learn more, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Viewers, please subscribe this channel, okay? Have a good day again, viewers and subscribers. Bye-bye.